Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I got the SLR HDK out. If you haven't enjoyed it in a while, I don't know if you guys remember, but a few years ago, one of my SLRs started acting funny. I had to spend 30,000 bucks on injectors. So these cars, you gotta really take them out and give it a nice push. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I have another surprise for you guys. I'm gonna share that with you on the joyride. Alright, we're gonna go warm up these tires. Whew. The sound of this exhaust, must say, is the best part of this car. Well, unlike the Heritage Edition that MSO did, has the free flow exhaust. You have the option to kind of have the quiet or the loud. This one doesn't have that, so oh my god, it's just kind of like riding a Harley Davidson with 4 wheels. Woo!
Little squirrel, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna warm up those tires, guys. Alright, let me close this so we can hear each other. Well, when I first did the HDK project on the coupe, my desired model was a roadster, but they wanted to just do the coupe. But MSO did tell me if there ever is going to be a project on the roadster version, you know, I'll be the first to know. And last week I got that phone call from MSO, so naturally I jumped out of my seat and told them to send me the contract. So we're going to do another HDK project on the roadster. And now the challenge I have is, do I match it to the coupe? Because as a couple, they're probably going to be worth a lot more money and unique. Or do I do British racing green? Or do I do the papaya orange McLaren color? I don't know. I'm having a challenge to do that, but the bigger challenge is finding the donor. Because the roadster I have right now in the fleet, it's a very rare color combo. It's the white with 300 SL red. So I gotta look for a real ugly SLR roadster so we can convert it and make it beautiful. So if you know of any SLR roadsters that are butt ugly, please put that link down below.
I've heard you say SL red. For the people that don't know, like, what's the big difference between normal red and 300 SL red inside these roadsters? Or inside these
the SLRs?
Yeah.
So there's two red. There's a burgundy red, which is darker. It's like red cherry, they call it. Okay. And then there is the 300 SL red, which is almost a $10,000 option when you order these cars.
Is it really?
Back in the, yeah, it's 9,900 I think, or 9,950.
Yeah.
That makes it it's kind of like lipstick red. And especially with the top down in the sun, it really pops, especially with white. So it gives it a beautiful contrast. The other red, I've had a couple of SLRs with the cherry red. It's just much darker and doesn't give it as much of a pop.
So what color is this then? The colors that you have right now in this car?
And this one here?
Yeah, what red is this?
So that's I would say, good question.
Yeah, right.
That is a 300 SL.
It looks like 300 SL, yeah.
So what comes with the package? The car basically goes through an entire overhaul. They take it down to the frame, new suspension, obviously new exhaust, a complete new aero. They actually put carbon fiber frame in the trunk for the downforce to support the big wing you guys see in the back.
Now, let's say you sent over the SLR today, the Roadster. How long would it take for you to get the Roadster back?
Well, depends. You know, once you freeze your spec, you know, typically it's 6 to 8 months. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
The car has to go to the paint shop, everything stripped down. As you can see inside, it's all new upholstery. So, a lot of work. It's like basically doing a brand new car, except you're not touching the frame, the engine, and the trunk. This one took, I want to say, probably 8 months to a year.
8 months to a year?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, probably takes as long.
That's pretty crazy. Like, for how much they've done to it? Like, even the back, you know, like, that's...
No, it's an incredible value. Now, going back to the spec, I love to get your input if I should match it identical to the coupe or just do something totally different. So, love to get your comments down below. I love this color combo, Khoshbin picnic, you know, design.
You know how this one was built off of the race car?
Yeah.
Right? And then the interior was what? From what?
This was from a, I don't know, Heritage SL, I think.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
So maybe something like that would be kind of cool.
Oh, you mean find a model?
Yeah, a model they've created before, maybe like a British racing green model where you can, like, work around.
You know, I like that idea.
Yeah.
You know, maybe, we'll search online for a popular SL Gullwing color combo
That'd be cool.
and just mimic it. I don't know. I don't like to copy. I like to be original. So maybe I'll just come up with something crazy. You guys hear that?
It's crazy because no other car in your collection sounds like this.
No. Honestly, I have to say, for taking a car out for a spin, I have a lot more fun in this than the Bugatti. I hate to say it. I don't know. It just gives me a lot more noise.
Now, when did they make you freeze your spec?
Oh, I had at least 2 or 3 months. Well, first I gotta find a donor.
Got it.
Because, you know, you gotta have a car to strap down. And now we're going to hunt for an ugly SLR that we can find and send it to get a major makeover by Mso. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be safe, be well, and see you guys on the next one.